Interior design isn't just about picking pretty wallpapers, it is a whole process. Today we're going to be showing you how we do it at VictorEric from a senior interior designer's perspective. Hi, I'm Joy, senior interior designer here at VictorEric. Today I'll take you through how we bring designs to life. Every project kicks off with a discovery meeting. We sit down with the client, get to know what they love, what they need, and let's be honest, what they don't want. But big ideas are just the start. Therefore, we turn them into sketches and concepts that actually work. This part is fun because we get to explore different layouts and styles. Some ideas stick, some don't. But it's never just about making something look good. We focus on how the space will actually work for the people using it. Once we have a solid direction, it is time to refine. The sketches only take us so far. Therefore, we build 3D models to bring the space to life before a single thing is built. This is where it gets real. We test layouts, adjust details, swap materials. It's like a puzzle, way more fun. And seeing the design go from idea to something tangible, that never gets old. Okay, so let's talk materials. This part is hands-on, literally. But picking finishes isn't just about what looks good, we test how the textures, colors, and material actually feel together. We have an entire library here, and trust me, we go through all of it. And we're not just picking out random things. We carefully mix and match to make sure everything works together, not just individually. A design can look amazing in our heads, but the client has to see it too. Therefore, we put together a full presentation so they can really picture the future space. This is where everything comes together. The layout, the materials, the details. It's all here. But sometimes seeing it on screen sparks new ideas, so we fine-tune things until it's just right. Design is always evolving. There's always something new to learn, but no one has all the answers. We work as a team, bouncing ideas off each other, sharing knowledge, and pushing each project to be its best. Training sessions, design critics, and team activities keep us inspired, sharp, and always improving. We work on some incredible projects, but at the end of the day, we don't just design. We make sure everything gets done right. Therefore, every space we create is thoughtful, functional, and built to last. Hope you enjoyed the video and learned a bit about what interior designers do here at VictorEric. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. We are at VictorEric and we create amazing spaces.